Hi everyone, I have a very important news to share with you all. There is a carnival, there is a traders carnival which is going to happen in Delhi from 16th to 18th of November. And this carnival has a history of 10 years and this is going to be their 18th edition. What is so special about it and why am I announcing it? It's a milestone for StockPro as a team. It's a milestone for you all who have supported me in the long journey of 6 years on YouTube. I will be the keynote speaker. Not only that, I'll be the first woman to be the speaker in this Traders Carnival. I want your wishes to really do my best over there, and I invite you all there. In case you use my coupon code, which is TCSJ, you get a discount of 3,000 rupees. Do join me and do join my entire team of StockPro, which is going to be attending in person over there. What is going to be so special again about this conference? How is it going to benefit you as a trader? You're going to meet some of the top traders of India, some top YouTubers of India. Not only that, you will be able to do the networking, you will be able to learn the secrets of stock market, and you can really learn from some successful traders. How is their body language? How do they decide? How do they find trades? And what is their successful strategies? All of it, you know, what I believe, these 3 days are going to be power-packed. And absolutely concentrated learning about stock market is what you're going to get. Do join me if you're really seeking to learn about stock market, and I really wish you all there all the best and see you at the Traders Carnival. Do book your tickets right away. There are only 350 seats. What I understand, at least 30-40 of my students have already booked the seat. In case you have not, do that ASAP. The link you will find in the description box. All the best. See you there.